Welcome back, Skallywag's. Tech tip 24 coming at you from Nome, Alaska. We're working on getting ready to get our single sideband going, and we needed to offset the feed cable. You don't want to have this right close to your stainless steel rigging. It goes all the way up there to the antenna. And so in order to do that, we went to the local Napa and picked up some 3/8 fuel line. And check this out, with a tie wrap and a little piece of fuel line. My friend Dave here helping us out. Loop the tie wrap on your stainless steel rigging, and then the other loop around the high voltage wire, and then you just snug this up. I move it down a little bit. We're spacing them out about like that, and then we tighten it up, and of course we cut it with our flush cuts. Just like that. Super simple, super easy. Now you do want to use UV resistant tie wraps if at all possible. We didn't have that option up here. I don't think the sun comes out that often in Nome, Alaska, but super easy, super fast. Thanks for watching.